you told me that you've got a really busy weekend coming up, and
Yeah.
I thought if you're up for this, would you like to do some tapping to set yourself up for a wonderful weekend?
Yeah.
And then anyone else who's watching can also tap along with us and create amazing weekend energy for themselves as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to.
Good. So when you think about your weekend, where would you where would you put yourself on the scale from when -10 is like you think the worst ever, 0 is kind of you feel neutral about it, and +10 you are feeling on top of the world about your weekend. Where would you gauge yourself right now?
Oh, I'd gauge, yeah, I'd gauge myself, or maybe go like -3, something like that. I mean, we don't have a terrible weekend plan, but it's just really, really busy. And there's three
Mm,
children and two parents, so we're outnumbered. So it's just going to be a very busy, juggly weekend.
yeah.
So yeah, I'm a little bit more concerned about how we're actually going to get the children to different locations at the same time. Okay.
Um, okay. And what's the strongest feeling about the fact that you have to get your children to different locations, and how you're going to juggle all these different events that are going on?
Um, the feeling, I'd
Emotion.
say it's kind of it's not like severe anxiety, but there is an undercurrent of anxiety.
Great. Thank you. Let's do some tapping on that. So,
Okay.
just do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then let me know and we can change the wording. And for those of you watching, again, just do what we do and say what we say. And if the words that we use don't match how you're feeling, simply change them to match more accurately what's true for you.
Okay. Yeah.
So even though
Even though
I have this busy weekend ahead,
I have this busy weekend ahead,
3 children,
three children,
2 parents,
two parents,
we're outnumbered,
we're outnumbered,
and I don't know how
and I don't know how
we're going to be at different places
we're going to be at different places
at the same time.
at the
In
same.
2 places at once is what I'm trying to say. I don't know how
Yeah,
we're going to be in 2 places at once.
two places at once. Yeah,
There'll be lots of juggling.
there'll be lots of juggling,
And I feel this undercurrent of anxiety,
and I feel this undercurrent of anxiety,
and that's okay.
and that's okay.
I choose to focus on my breath,
I choose to focus on my breath,
which is a powerful way of being, as I know.
which is a powerful way of being, as I know.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
accept myself
accept myself
and the undercurrent of anxiety
and the undercurrent of anxiety
and my breath.
and my breath.
So top of the head, so much juggling,
So much juggling,
having to be in 2 places at once,
having to be in two places at once,
not sure how we're going to manage it.
not sure how we're going to manage it.
Undercurrent of anxiety.
Undercurrent of anxiety.
Where do you feel that undercurrent of anxiety in your body?
In my stomach,
I can feel it in my stomach.
I can feel it in my stomach.
And what's the sensation there?
Oh God, what's the word? Maybe just tightness,
Tightness. Tightness in my stomach.
tightness in my stomach.
And if that tightness had a colour, what colour would it be?
It would be purple,
Purple tightness in my stomach.
purple tightness in my stomach.
Undercurrent of anxiety.
Undercurrent of anxiety.
And if there was a colour that could lift and lighten that purple in your stomach, what colour would it be?
Green,
So just imagine, visualize, or get a sense that the green is mixing and merging lifting and lightening the purple, and take one of your types of really good breaths in
Mm-hmm.
and relax. And when you think about that that undercurrent of anxiety in your stomach, what color would it be now?
Blue.
Blue. Thank you. So, and what color could lift and lighten that blue in your stomach?
Green again.
Green. Beautiful. So, imagining, visualizing, or getting a sense that the green is mixing and merging with the blue, lifting and lightening it. And as you tap on the top of your head, taking a deep breath in and relax. And when you focus on the color in your stomach now, what color would you say there is?
It's green.
It's green. And what's the sensation of that green?
It's calm.
And what's the beautiful? So it's green calm in your stomach now. And when you
Yeah.
think about your weekend ahead, what's the strongest? Where would you put yourself on that scale from -10 through 0 to +10?
+5.
Beautiful. That's absolutely wonderful. So put your hands in the center of your chest and say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform.
Wow.
Great.
That's great.
Good. So literally, I mean, I don't think we could have spent more than like 5-10 minutes doing that tapping round.
Mm.
And that's all it takes to just lift you to to release the negative and bring you to a more positive state. And of course, when you're at a +5 or above, life just flows more harmoniously for people. So hopefully you
Yeah.
can bring that into your weekend as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you for being willing to do that demonstration. So if people want to know more about EFT and how it can help you as a mum or in your parenting, then do check out my website, tamaradon.com, or send me an email, info@tamaradon.com. And if you would like to have a free tapping session like Claire has done, do let me know and we can do a video recording. I wish you an amazing weekend, Claire. Thank you so much.
Thank you.